Hi, I'm Amanda Rohleder, and I'm an account rep here at Nex-Tech. Today we're going to talk about how our cloud phone service can work for different businesses. So if you're a business with multiple locations, our cloud phone service may benefit you in a few different ways. One might be the extension-to-extension dialing between offices. One could be the call routing patterns and rules that you could set up, and one may be a mobile phone integration. So one of the features can be the extension-to-extension dialing. So maybe you want to make a call from your office in Great Bend to your office in Hayes. It's simply a touch of a button or a 4-digit extension code will make that call between offices. Call routing is a great feature because you have total ownership of how your customer calls in, and you can make sure that that call does not go unanswered no matter what number they call and what office they call. For example, I have a number published out there and I'm going to call that as though I'm a customer. You will see both of these phones ring at the same time. However, they may reside in different locations, one in Hayes, one in Great Bend, wherever they may be. Both phones start ringing at the exact same time, and whoever's available to answer that call will be able to answer it. Mobile phone integration is a great feature for those employees that are always on the go. For example, let me show you how I have my cell phone connected to my desk phone extension so that I can be contacted anytime, anywhere. Anybody in the office can easily just dial my extension and my cell phone will immediately start ringing. If I'm out of the office, I can grab that call. Another business scenario might be that you don't have the staff in your office to route phone calls when they're coming in. So the Easy Auto Attendant is a great feature to have so that a customer call goes exactly where it needs to go in a short amount of time without having staff designated to just answering your phones. So let me show you how the Auto Attendant works. I will dial the office number from any phone.
Welcome to the Nex-Tech Hayes Sales Demo Kit. To reach Amanda, please press 1. For Mark, press 2, or for Tricia, 3. Thank you.
And I get routed exactly where I need to go. Another scenario for a small business is maybe you forward after-hours calls to a voice messaging service. And typically when you do that with a 2-line phone or a on-premise phone system, you have to dial a star code like a *73 and then put in the phone number that you want your calls to be forwarded to, whether it's a cell phone, whether it's an off-site location. With the cloud phone service, you can actually make that change through a web portal that you log into, and it can be automatic from day to day. So you don't have to do that on a daily basis, that star code. It automatically does that for you on a predetermined call routing time of day and day of the week. So I can own how my calls come into my specific extension by logging into our comm portal. So if I'm going to be on vacation next week, and I know I'm going to be on vacation next week, I can set it up in the comm portal so from Monday through Friday next week, my calls go directly to voicemail and they won't even ring my desk phone or my mobile phone, however I have that set up. You can set up a range of rules to automatically switch over whenever you need them to. So the time it takes to actually deploy a cloud phone service at your location is very minimal. The guts and the brains are actually already set up in our data center, so all we really need to do is actually bring the phones out and set them up and then program the calls to come in how you need them to come in. So the cloud phone service is really an affordable solution to any size business, no matter whether you have one phone or you have 20 phones or more. It really eliminates the need for that capital expense of a lot of equipment and having to find a place to store that equipment in your location, where this turns the phones themselves on your desk and the service behind it into one monthly amount. and it becomes all an operating expense to your business.